room clearing disruption has delayed a decision on whether King County will deprioritize the prosecution of people who use psychedelic mushrooms. The vote is seen by supporters as a way to open the door to new treatments for severe medical conditions. KOMO's Joel Marino is live in Seattle tonight with what this motion could mean. Joel.
Yeah, Molly, some people refer to these as magic mushrooms. It's one of the substances under consideration, and they have shown some benefit when treating PTSD, addiction, and depression. But there are real concerns that these things could be misused. A growing debate is underway over psychedelic drugs in King County. Some want to make the personal use of substances like psilocybin mushrooms one of the lowest priorities for law enforcement, saying it's about treatment, not crime.
We know that some of these substances do help individuals get off really terrible and toxic substances that they're addicted to. It helps them with traumatic brain injury, and it can help people navigate through depression and other mental health disorders.
Other county leaders question what they see as decriminalization of psychoactive substances, which are more broadly referred to as entheogens.
We got to be real cautious when we're sending the signal that, the psychedelics are basically going to be legal here in King County.
Ahead of the vote, people gathered for an unrelated issue on immigration began shouting in the room.
We're on recess. Council's on recess.
And the hearing was briefly recessed and then continued online. A local veteran testified that research on hallucinogenic mushrooms and other entheogens has shown some benefits for people with post-traumatic stress disorder.
It matters that we give those who served our country at great personal cost access to the full range of science-backed tools to heal when they come home.
King County Council member Teresa Mosqueda insists the proposal would not legalize drugs, but would send a message that adults using psychoactive substances for personal health should not be the focus of arrests or prosecution.
We are drawing a very firm line to say that when we support people making sure that they can have access to entheogens for their own mental health treatment, it is for their own treatment.
Well, that meeting, it is still underway, so no decision yet. If it does pass, though, it would make personal use of these substances by adults one of the lowest law enforcement priorities in the unincorporated portions of King County. Reporting live, Joel Marino, KOMO News.